Hey Toolerinos, this is my workbench of junk. It is in desperate need of cleaning and organizing in order to become functional again. So the weather's finally turned a corner. We're in the 40s today, 50s tomorrow. So I am gonna try to make some progress and get to shooting videos out here again. Huzzah! Hey Toolerinos, Scout Crafter's mentioning of the jerry can made me want to show off this interesting little can I picked up at a yard sale a little while back. It says spare tank, don't leave home without it. And I could just make out the price tag. It looks like it was sold at Kmart for about $10. And it's very tough looking. It's a Blitz, 9.5 liters, 2.5 gallon. And here it says DOT-5L USMC 20-2.5-82. And on the closure here, let's see if I can make that out. It says Blitz USMC 1982. So I'm assuming that's the year of manufacture. I could be wrong. If anybody else knows for sure, let me know in the comments. But the interesting thing, I thought anyway, was it says spare tank, don't leave home without it, suggesting that, you know, you should have this in the trunk of your car. And then on the back, of course, it says gasoline extremely flammable, do not store in trunk of car or other confined areas. So it's a little bit weird that they marketed it that way. But it's not rusty on the inside, so it's usable. But it could certainly use some cleaning and maybe repainting on the outside. Oh, and it comes with a spout, which does look like it could use some cleanup. That goes here. And let's see if I can get this. There we go. The spout has the flame arrestor, which is kind of cool. So, a neat little old gas can. What do you guys think? Anybody else have one like this? Anyone ever use one like this? I have not, but I think this could be cleaned up and put back in service. Let me know what you think. Hey Toolerinos, I doing a little cleaning in the shop and I came across something that I thought I would share. This oxygen acetylene tank cart, something I made in my youth, in my late teens. This is made with angle iron and some random plate steel, some random wheels I had lying around, and I had come across a good deal on a set of tanks, so I decided to build a cart and set up a torch set. That is the original hose that I bought, almost 30 years ago, and I got these gauges used at Hamilton Tools in Beaver Falls, Pennsylvania. The torch was actually a freebie that I found. I did not have the multi-tool at the time that you'd typically use for all the valves and everything, so I made one. Just welded an old socket to a old wrench. It's okay, it's just one of those sort of generic drop forged steel ones. But this is the one I used. This came in a tool haul not too long ago, so I just built it. The handles were wall braces from a 1968 Nimrod pop-up camper trailer. Why my brain still remembers that, I have no idea, but I will probably never forget it because it's been this long already. And I originally wanted larger wheels for it so it could go like in the grass better, but these were the only size wheels I had available at the time. I've got bigger wheels now, so maybe if I can get this back together, and I really start using it, I'll weld another set of brackets higher up and put some bigger wheels on it. It goes just fine on cement, of course, but in the grass it just would sink. So there it is, my homemade oxygen acetylene tank set cart. And I did just get this oxygen tank replaced, which is why I'm kind of looking into this. And I bought a new set of hoses. These hoses down here, after watching a video from this old Tony, I decided probably better safe than sorry, you know, for the cost of buying a new set of hoses. But this torch is something. It is an Airco. Let's see if I can get to focus. There it goes. It's an Airco, and it's all brass. It has no O-rings in it. It's all brass taper fits for the valves and stuff. And I need to look that up. Model number 9803. And then it's got a serial number, maybe 545837. Got to clean that up a little bit. But anyway, yeah, made in New York. I gotta figure out how old that is. I'll figure it out and add it, you know, as text on the screen if I can figure it out. Okay, later.